nice snow. When it falls in the wind, you know. And you, oh you say you wanna dance. You're wary, you know, you'll end up in the wrong hands. And you're having fun. Why don't you show your friends?
Alright. I think I need a new camera because this one has a little dot on the side. I don't know if you can see it, but this is going to be really irritating. I tried to clean the lens, but it doesn't work. Anyway, got my green juice here. Looks nice in the sun, doesn't it? So today was lucky. I had my first client at 9, or I will have it at 9, so it's like got 13 minutes to go. So I'm on my way to the gym, gonna get changed. I have my first client and then I'm gonna work out myself. So today it's push day. It's a bit of an incline bench and dips and stuff like that. So you're gonna see that later anyway. So let's roll. You know what's funny? Every gym has a back office, right? Or a space where, you know, we keep our stuff and shit. But every gym I worked in so far looks like a little shithole. Don't mean this in a bad way, don't get me wrong. This is just normal because you've got so many people in a tight space. So you can see it here. This actually looks really clean. My days in fitness first. I don't know, there's one video, I'm not sure if I can find it, but that actually shows me in the back a little space of fitness first. And the problem was we had a space this big, like that big, for around 30 PTs. So 30 people in this space, like, you know, storing their stuff and shit like that. So it wasn't really, it's not really the fault of all PTs. Anyway, I thought I'll just show you because it's reality of life, isn't it? I'll show you my locker. Ain't great. Make sure that you get everything inside. Not that much inside anyway. Make sure you got the water and my phone. Need to change quickly as well. Yeah. Got these shoes. These are really cool, these Nikes. They actually have them in pink, I was about to say. But you know what? I mean, not for me, for Nicole. So we were trying to find them. And can basically grab them in any color you want, because you've got this Nike ID thing where you can make them yourself. I might do that. We'll see. Done.
Yes, I did it all for love. Oh, they say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Oh, don't you know? I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? And you were fool's gold. Yes, I did.
Went out to to get my Costa, and now look what happened. They disassembled it. They basically said, no more Costa for you, baby. So I need to grab some other coffee somewhere else. Shit.
What if it never ends? I'm lacking sincerity, but you don't care at all. Miss booze, lit cigarettes, trying to take me home. Falling in love just a million times.
Alright, here we go. Here we go. Boink, boink, boink. Anyway, so gluten-free bagel. I like having some bread on the side, and gluten-free makes it easier, obviously, for your digestion. Then we've got avocado and tomatoes. That's what it's called. This is like brown rice and rote beetroot. This is curry with soybeans, chicken. I got that. And this one is lime mint water. So you could do all of this by yourself, don't get me wrong. Just because I'm out eating this and paying for it. I know when you're on the go and you're busy like me, then you don't have any time. So you go to places like this where, you know, you find this already made. And it's really nice. They've got a good big selection of food you can buy. These healthy stores you find really, really often in London. Whereas I do find less metropolitan the city is, the less you will find all of this. But you can be creative, you can do all of this by yourself. Go out, buy some avocados, some tomatoes, smash it up, and you got this basically, right? So that's it, that's the gist of it. Yeah, got 5 more clients today. Still got to train the second time round, which is going to be martial arts. And then we're going to eat again, right? So, food time, baby!
She's cold as December.
Alright guys, I just finished my workout, and as you can see I'm totally sweaty. Yeah, it was a boxing martial arts session, just, you know, brushing up on my boxing skills and kicking skills and stuff. Still got it, but yeah, when I say I still got it, I mean the kicking, the boxing needs to improve a lot. Yeah, but it's also a really good cardio workout. As you can see, I'm sweating like a pig. I did, I think, 7 rounds of 3 minutes plus 3 or 4 rounds, 2 minutes just kicking. So in total it's 10 or 11 rounds of me moving around, more than an hour's workout in total with stretching and warm-up. So that was pretty good. Now I'm gonna have a shower and I'll need to head out to one of my clients. So I'll see you there. Alright, I just had a little snack after my second workout. And now, like I said, I need to go to my client, but it was just raining before, so I was thinking of taking the bus, but now I'm actually going to jump on the scooter. The problem is that my gimbal, I can't attach to the scooter because it broke. I'm basically going to go there and come back, and then you're going to see me. It's 4:30, and at 5:30 I've got my client. I need to come back, and then I've got 2 more clients from 7 to 8 and from 8 to 9. And then I'm basically done for today. And the cool thing is, I ordered a drone, a DJI Air, and that one just came today. So we're going to be unboxing that later on when I'm home. I'm really excited about that actually, because the other thing is that will make footage just so much more watchable, sometimes at least. Alright peeps, the camera's not holding. Now it is. It's 9 o'clock. Yeah, just finished my sessions with my clients. And tomorrow morning, 8 o'clock, I've got my 7 o'clock, I've got my first client. So, not much sleep for me today. But that is how we roll here. Keep everyone else moving. And then myself as well. I'm actually quite happy that I got in 2 sessions today. So that was pretty awesome. Let's see if I didn't forget anything. Yeah, I forgot my hat. I like how my sunglasses just stick to my hat. This is pretty convenient, so I don't have to worry about it. Now the thing is with this one, I bought it new, and actually look at this. piece of shit. Here, can you see this? There's a hole inside. What I'm gonna try to do, I'm gonna go back and say, hey, fucker. No, honestly, I'm gonna go back to Adidas and say they have to replace it because, you know, that's not how we roll. Just sell you something and it's broken. So I was quite disappointed with that. So now I'm actually decided going home because, like I said, it's drone time. So let's go. My new ride is here. This is the thing, in London you see a lot of these Lambos driving around. Like I said before, it's the place where everyone shows off their supercars, like this baby here. See if we can get a ref in.
I swear I've seen you before. Holding your shoes.
Alright, I'm home now and here are the two boxes and we're gonna do a quick unboxing like this. See? That's how you unbox stuff. Let's have a look at what I actually bought. Like I told you guys, I bought the drone, the Maverick Air and the Fly More combo. You need a scan disc for this. Like this thing is like a cable connecting. Then this is random, this is like just for my iPhone because the screen cracked. I got two screen protectors. And this thing is actually, I'll try to open it, I'll show you. Like a case where you can put the Mavic Air inside. So this is pretty fancy. Let's have a look at this guy here. This baby here. Feels good. And then you basically can put your Mavic Air in here. And the iPad in there, and it's quite solid. It's actually really tough, which is good. I'm actually not gonna fly today, obviously, because it's dark outside. So I'm just gonna unpack this, get the batteries charged, and then tomorrow is a flying day. We'll see how this all goes and works out. Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video so far. Leave a comment box below. I'll see you guys tomorrow.